Bitcoin money value sort of equivalent to $268.26 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range, 264.04 279.25 in a quite large way. The earlier day close, 272.07, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The change in every way that really matters was 3.81. 1.40% in a very significant way. Converse rate, United States dollars to BCH, which in every practical sense is very huge. Bitcoin money value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $266, essentially greatest 285, least 247, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost $269, sort of most extreme 288, essentially least 250. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12, cost $272 in every practical sense, greatest 291, beautiful least 253, which truly shows that reverse rate. United States dollars to BCH, Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost $271, greatest 290, least 252, kind of additional appearance. How Bitcoin money value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $266, kind of most extreme 285, kind of least 247, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $252, sort of greatest 270, most certainly least 234 in a very significant manner. In multi-week Bitcoin money figure on Monday, July 17, cost $246, especially most extreme 263, truly least 229. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost $253 in every way that really matters, most extreme 271, genuinely least 235, or so they all things considered thought. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, July 19, cost $242, genuinely greatest 259, lovely least 225, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $281, especially most extreme 301, fundamentally least 261 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, July 21, cost $316, truly greatest 338, certainly least 294 in an exceptionally large way. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $310, genuinely greatest 332, truly least 288 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost $319, especially most extreme 341, exceptionally least 297, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $366, kind of most extreme 392, essentially least 340, showing how in about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $310, certainly greatest 332, genuinely least 288, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost $335, genuinely most extreme 358, genuinely least 312, so in multi-week Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, July 17, cost $246, certainly greatest 263, exceptionally least 229, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $389, truly greatest 416, really least 362, which generally is very huge. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, July 31, cost $451, sort of greatest 483, kind of least 419 amazingly. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $444, especially greatest 475, genuinely least 413, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost $515, kind of most extreme 551, exceptionally least 479. Exhibiting how Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost $269, certainly greatest 288, truly least 250, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $530, certainly most extreme 567, least 493, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $529, truly greatest 566, truly least 492. In about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $530, all things considered, greatest 567, truly least 493, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $523, kind of most extreme 560, genuinely least 486, which explicitly is very huge. United States dollars to BCH today. United States dollars to BCH conversion scale, kind of equivalent to 0.3728 coins per $100 in a genuinely large manner. Today's reach, 0.3581 0.3787 in an unpretentious way. The past day's nearby, 0.3676 in an unpretentious way. Change for now plus 0.0052. Plus 1.41% in a kind of significant way. United States dollars to BCH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they most certainly thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, July 10, cost 0.376 coins, really greatest 0.405, by and large least 0.351 amazingly. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, July 11, cost 0.372 coins, lovely greatest 0.400, especially least 0.347 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, July 12, cost 0.368 coins, by and large greatest 0.395, for the most part least 0.344. United States dollars to BCH forecast on Thursday, July 13, cost 0.369 coins, lovely greatest 0.397, really least 0.345 in a very huge way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, July 14, cost 0.397 coins, truly greatest 0.427, sort of least 0.370, which especially is genuinely huge. In multi-week United States dollars to BCH forecast on Monday, July 17, cost 0.407 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.437, sort of least 0.380, showing how Bitcoin money cost